Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we have a very special guest, chef, joining me. Say hi to Whiskers. That's right, today isn't just about me cooking, it's about making a delicious and healthy meal for my favorite feline friend. I've seen so many complicated recipes out there, but let's be honest, our cats appreciate simplicity. So today, we're whipping up a super easy, cat-approved salmon and sweet potato PT. First up, our ingredients. We've got a beautiful piece of boneless, skinless salmon, rich in those amazing omega-3s south that are great for a shiny coat. Next, we have some steamed sweet potato, packed with vitamins. And finally, just a tiny splash of olive oil for some healthy fats. That's it. 3 simple ingredients. Safety first, of course. All these ingredients are cooked and perfectly safe for our kitties. Now, let's get cooking. I've already steamed the salmon until it's flaky and cooked through. I did the same with the sweet potato, making sure it's nice and soft. The hard part is already done. Now we just combine them. I'm going to flake the salmon into this bowl. See how easily it comes apart. Whiskers is already getting very interested. Aren't you, buddy? The good stuff is coming. Next, I'll add the mashed sweet potato. The ratio I like to use is about 2 parts salmon to 1 part sweet potato, but you can adjust it based on what your cat prefers. Now for the fun part, mashing it all together. You can use a fork, or if you want it extra smooth, a small food processor works wonders. We're aiming for a nice, smooth PT consistency that's easy for them to lick up. I'll add just a few drops of olive oil to bring it all together and add a little extra goodness. And there you have it, a homemade gourmet meal for your cat in just a few minutes. Look at this beautiful color. It smells so good, even I'm tempted. But this one's for the master of the house. Let's see what the final verdict is. I'll just put a small spoonful in his bowl. Remember, this is a treat, not a full meal replacement, so portion size is key. Okay, the moment of truth, and it looks like we have a winner. He's loving it. Seeing him so happy makes it all worthwhile. If you try this recipe for your feline friend, let me know how it goes in the comments below. It's such a simple way to show them a little extra love. Thanks for joining our little cooking session today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet-friendly fun. See you next time.